Hello guys, welcome back to another lifestyle and beauty videos with me. Today's video is all about nails, glamorous nails. Basically, I am one of those that I just simply do a very simple manicure at home, especially when it's quarantined, and I just do a nail polish, a simple nail polish, and that's it. I do not have any other experience, and I am not a professional, not done anything special to my nails before. So today I am going to have a different experience for the first time. I've received a complete package of a Gelish DIY nail at home from Madame Glam, New York. I've just received these two beautiful, adorable packages, and I can't wait to open them and to try them. Basically, this video is an unboxing video, and I'm going to try this for the first time. Well, before doing that, I did some research about Madame Glam, New York, and I found out actually they are one of the best out there if you want to take care of your own nails at home. And so many people, they had a feedback that after using the product of Madame Glam, they never wanted to go back to a salon and do their nails, and they can do it almost in a professional level at their own home. So when I received the package from Madame Glam, I got so excited, and I said this is a very good opportunity for me, that if I'm going to have a perfect nails, as everybody's saying, which I'm sure, so I'm going to do that from now on, and I do not need to go to a salon for the nails. Especially imagine you're going to have a professionally done gelish DIY nail. It's just not a simple nail polish you're going to do, but a gelish. For those who don't know what the gelish nail polish is, basically gelish nail polish is much stronger, staying on your nails, and it doesn't go away so easily while you're working your daily routine, and it just stays on. It's so shiny, it's more shiny, it's more popping up and much more beautiful. So I'm so excited to have this package, and I'm going to try it, and I'm going to show you what I received and what it does. If you liked it, and if you like to have this full pack product at home, there's a coupon code which gives you 30% discount on the product, which I'm going to put it at the description box and the link to it to do your shopping. Just simply put the coupon code and get a 30% discount on this amazing product, and let's do it. So guys, I received these two package from Madame Glam. I just little bit opened it, so I just wanted to sneak peek, but I'm gonna open it again. I didn't use it yet. I wanted to share with you. You see all this beautiful, so beautiful packaging, which contains of I think 3 shades and a top coat and a base coat. For a gelish, basically you need a base coat, you need a top coat, and then you need your shade, whatever it is. So I've got these 3 shades which are so beautiful, especially this one, I love it. And there is a base coat and a top coat, which I'm going to show you how to do it. It is so simple. I did not know that you can do a DIY gelish nail polish at your home so simply. I was thinking this is such a confusing and so difficult process that I'm not able to do it, but actually with this beautiful pack you can just do it easily, like 1, 2, 3. This, what I received, is a LED UV lamp, which is mini, and it's so cute, and you can just connect it to any power source and it starts working for you. It has 2 timing, as I checked. Yeah, it's 45 seconds and 30 seconds basically, and there is a cord with it which just connects with a USB connection. I am just going to connect it to my laptop and use it. And this product has 1 year guarantee, and there is a booklet that tells you how to use it. It's so easy. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, this whole product is vegan, and you can just use it if you are concerning about being vegan or not. LED light is so cute, and I am going to connect it to a power source, which is my laptop. And then once you do it. If you see, it's just on. The first time, as it's written, if you press it, is for 45 seconds, and if you press it twice, it's for 60 seconds, and if you press it 3 times, it's gonna go off. So let's try this. This is 45 seconds, this is 60, and this is off. So easy. Basically, guys, when you do any coating of top coat, base coat, or the color on your nail polish, in case it's a gelish, you need to keep it for 45 seconds under the LED light so that it will be so strong and it will be all dried up. It's so easy, very easy, so there's nothing to be confused about. So we will be needing our base coat, which goes first on the nail, and then we need our shade. I love these shades. Actually, I'm gonna open each and I'm gonna try. This is like a glittery shade. This is called Oh My and I personally love it. I love these kinds of colors. And this like matte color, but we can give it a shine with the top coat. And this one is, wow, it's so cute. It's like a turquoise color, kind of my husband's favorite. And this one is, ooh, this is so amazing. It's just like a galaxy. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is so girly. So we need this, we need the base coat, and we need the top coat, and that's it. So you see my nails. I can say I don't have the most greatest nails in the world, but anyway, I am a person who do a lot of housework, so especially in quarantine. So let's see how it works for a normal, common houseworking person. So we're gonna put a layer of the base coat. All right, so we're gonna put this one for 45 seconds under the LED light. That's it, 45 seconds is done. All right, so let's go for the shade. Sometimes I think people do double of the base coat to make the nail color to pop up much better. So, but anyway, I'm gonna do it just normal, like one time. Okay, so let's go for another UV light for 45 seconds. All right, so let's go for the second coat. All right, so we are going to do the top coat. It's just like a clear nail polish. I think after the top coat, I'm gonna go for a full 60 seconds of the last stage of my hand. Okay, let's go for a 60 second this time. Okay guys, I did my left hand and I'm pretty happy with the results. The color is so much more popping comparing to my other normal nail polish. So let's go on and do the other hand as well. Alright guys, I did both of my hands. I'm gonna show you from close up. It's very good basically for someone who tried it for the first time, a DIY gelish. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? But I have to admit one thing guys, because this hand became much better than this one. I have to tell you that I applied a lot of amount of the nail polish and the top coat and base coat to the first hand, and I put less to this one, so this turned out to be much neater and better. So just a little amount of these are enough and goes a long way. So don't forget, don't use a lot of them. In case if you used a lot of them by accident or mistake, you just try to keep it longer, like maybe 60 seconds, under the light so that it'll dry up. So yeah, its overall experience is really good and I'm happy with it. So yes, I'm pretty happy with this product and I totally recommend it to go and have one pack for yourself. It goes a long way and you can always have it and do your nails without needing to go to salon anymore. So they have a lot of things to offer, guys. I recommend you to go to below description box of the video to the link that I mentioned. Use my coupon to get 30% discount if you want to buy the product, which I totally recommend. They have VIP club, which they give you points and credit also for your purchases. They've got so many, more than 800 shades to choose from. They've got a great team to guide you and help you. So perfect, guys. Such a successful unboxing. I'm so happy, and until the next video, take care.